Have you ever wanted to write a song? Here's one I wrote, with the help of AI.
In this world of chaos and hate, we're searching for a brighter day. Bombs exploding, cries of despair. Deep in our hearts we're aware, love's the only weapon to play.
As you can see, AI songs are now a thing, and not too bad either. Stay until the end, I will show you how easy this is to do for free. Step 1, let's create our very first AI song. Head over to Suno AI. This is an amazing platform and it's currently in free beta. Let's check out the showcase. We can see that we can select the genre of music, play it in more than 50 languages, and this version is faster than the last one. We can also direct the verse and chorus to our liking. Let's play one of the examples.
The sun is setting on the Vegas Strip as the day starts to wind down. The lights slowly flicker and start to dip.
You will notice that you always get two variants of the same song to try. Let's try the second one.
Sun is setting on the Vegas Strip. The day starts to wind down.
Well, that second one is pretty good. Let's make our own. Click the Try the Beta button. Log in. Then simply type into the prompt what type of song you want. I will go ahead and make a few. Oops, I misspelled reggae. Lucky for me, AI can fix that. When done, we can scroll to the top and try the first song.
Feeling kind of fly. Got my headphones on. Listen to listen. Walking down the street, feeling kind of fine. Got my headphones on, listening to her eyes. But out of the corner of my eye, what do I see? A little furry friend staring right at me. Cats, tracks, thirteens and queens, jumping and prancing, chasing all their dreams. Cats, they're assassin style.
Try the next one.
I was sitting in the front row on this cold and storm. My heart beating fast, my hands gripping on tight. Looked to my left, looked to I was sitting in the front lines on this cold and starry night. My heart beating fast, my hands gripping on tight. I looked to my left and I looked to my right, and I saw brave soldiers fighting for what's right. With tears in our eyes and hope in our hearts, we may be fighting, love will be our guide. We'll keep on marching.
I like that second one. Okay, keep going, trying each one down the page. Don't worry, I will only play a little of each one. Stay with me and decide which one you like best and drop me a comment to vote on your favorite one. Step 2. Let's try the Discord app to get more control. Click on the Use Discord button. Accept the invite, then close the pop-up and hit Continue to Discord. On the main screen, click the first resource for instructions. On the right, you will see we can select one of the chirp beta channels on the left. Then, we can type the /chirp command. Next, we hit the Enter key, and then a pop-up will appear. Then we can customize our song. After hitting Submit, Chirp will generate 2 variants for us, within 2 to 3 minutes. If we like the song and want another verse, we can hit the Continue button. Let's go. Select the first Chirp beta channel. Then type in /chirp and hit Enter. Change the type to classic rock. Then give it a prompt to have ChatGPT generate it for us. Scrolling up a bit, we can see the lyrics. If we don't like them, we can hit the Recycle button on the lower left. After a couple minutes, we get our song. Let's play the first version.
I was lost in the darkness, searching for a way, but your love came shining, turned my night into day. We danced in the moonlight, our hearts beating as one, but now I'm left here, broken and undone. Love, oh love, why'd you have to break my heart? Tore me apart, left me with nothing but scars. Love, oh love, I thought we had it all, now I'm standing tall, ready for the next fall.
Okay, enough of that, let's try the second one.
Lost in the darkness, searching for a way, but your love came shining, till the night into the day. We danced in the moonlight, our hearts beating as one, but now I'm left here, broken and undone. Love, oh love, why'd you have to break my heart? Left me with nothing but scars. Love, oh love, I thought we had it all. Now I'm standing tall, ready for the next fall.
I seem to have more luck with the second version, your mileage may vary. When done, you can continue to the next verse or hit the remix button to adjust your prompt and retry. Don't forget to download the song, you can select audio or video. Now, for the next steps. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notify button so you don't miss my upcoming content. Take a moment to drop me a comment, tell me how I am doing, and let me know any content you want to see. Your comments allow YouTube to push my videos to others with similar taste. Check out our other videos on using AI to make money online using faceless videos. Until next time, bye bye.